Hi everyone! Today, we are going to discuss communication and globalization, intercultural service standards in the hospitality industry.
The hospitality industry includes hotels, restaurants, resorts, airlines, and tourism services. Since people from different countries travel around the world, workers in hospitality meet guests with different cultures, languages, beliefs, and traditions.
Because of globalization, businesses are now connected worldwide. Travelers expect good service no matter what they go. This is why communication is very important in the hospitality industry.
Good communication helps workers understand the needs of guests. It also prevents misunderstanding and helps create a positive experience. Hospitality workers should speak clearly, listen carefully, and show respect to all guests.
Intercultural communication means communicating with people from different cultures. For example, some cultures prefer direct communication, while others value politeness and indirect words. Understanding these differences helps workers provide better services.
Another important part is intercultural service standards. These are guidelines that help hospitality workers treat guests fairly and respectfully regardless of their nationality or culture.
Examples of intercultural service standards include showing respect, using polite language, being patient, understanding cultural tradition, and avoiding discrimination. Workers should also be aware of cultural practices related to food, greetings, religion, and personal space.
For instance, some guests may have dietary restrictions because of religion, while others may have different ways of greeting people. By respecting these practices, hospitality workers can make guests feel comfortable and valued.
Technology and social media also play a big role in globalization. Guests can easily share their experiences online because of these hospitality businesses and professional communication at all times.
Training employees about cultural awareness and communication skills is important. It helps workers become more confident and improves customer satisfaction. In conclusion, communication and globalizations greatly affect the hospitality industry. Intercultural service standards help workers provide respectful, inclusive, and excellent service to people from around the whole world.
By understanding different cultures and practicing effective communication, hospitality workers can create positive experiences and build stronger connections with guests.
Thank you for listening and have a good day.